Such is the life of a Pollock. Eating pretzels, working on cars. Well, time to go home. Here's the Buick key, house key, Beamer key. Beamer key? Oh, well, I work on Beamers. It's probably nothing special, you know. It's just a 5 Series. Is that an M5? Well, that's pretty cool. Oh. It doesn't have the exhaust on it. 4 downpipes. What? And the catalytic converters are off too? Oh, well, you know, you can't waste opportunities like this. Never! Nope. We're not wasting such an opportunity. Not an opportunity like this. Oh, the anticipation. Oh, the blinding lights of my uncle's crummy job at putting in lamps. Kind of cramped. Arms in the way. Oh, look, it fits. What a surprise. Okay, not a surprise. But, you know, do you know what God sounds like? That's what God sounds like.